keto. It's kind of hard. Not real straight cook by any means. So all we're doing is making a bunch of meat and vegetables. It gets kind of boring. And it sucks going to the store all the time to get food. So we Googled. We were using Blue Apron for regular food, and we liked that, the simplicity of it. So we decided to order. So she Googled keto meal plan, and this guy came up. So we ordered it, about $100 worth of food. It's cool because there's no, you don't have to sign up. Like Blue Apron's kind of a pain sometimes because it makes you, it comes constantly unless you just like the old Columbia House. You gotta say no or else it comes to you. So it's good in the fridge for 7 days. It's a bunch of dry ice in here, so grab that with your bare hands. It's good packaging. I don't know what black ice is. Don't grab on that though. Oh wow. Alright, it's kind of wet, so I'm going to put a hand towel down here. Sweating a little bit. Came from UPS. Mint chocolate chip keto pancakes with egg bites and chicken sausage. So there's your egg bites and your sausage. That's a big old sausage. Alright, so this is what we were wondering, how big this pizza is. This is definitely not that big a pizza. This is definitely a one person, at least for me. Oh, definitely. It says 2 per container. I don't believe that at all. I'm 6'1", 240, and I'll probably need like 5 of these to fill me up. 620 calories. I like that they have the, you know, all the stuff in here. Doesn't have it on this one though. Doesn't really say how to cook it. Yeah, there's no directions on how to cook this guy. The pancakes have directions. This one does not have directions. So that's the pepperoni one. Here's the cheese one. So that's a little disappointing. I mean, hopefully it's good, but I forget how much these things cost, but I thought for the price it was going to be enough to feed more than one person. I mean, granted it says 2 servings, but that's bullshit. Stuff's really kind of smashed in here, so I don't know about that. Here's the bread. Surprisingly soft. Keto dinner roll. Yeah, it's very soft. I don't know, like this stuff isn't super cold. Oh, peanut butter cups. These are a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be, which is great because I'm really looking forward to this. So, I mean, these are fat. I don't think they may be frozen. Oh, okay. It says best frozen. All right. Keto dinner roll again. Again, these are all smashed up, but again, it's surprisingly soft. I'll be interested to see how those taste. More keto rolls. These are all things we chose. It wasn't like you had to have any prepackaged plan or anything like that. We just grabbed individual items. Oh yeah, cheddar keto biscuit. And these are a little firmer, but so serving size is 4. It says there's 4 per container. I don't understand that. Alright. We'll try these out. Looking forward to that. 'Cause bread's one thing my wife misses a lot. Apparently I got a lot of cheddar keto biscuits. That's interesting. This one's all black and this one's white. This one doesn't have a see-through and this one does. apparently I was really looking forward to. Oh, vanilla frosted donuts. Oh yeah, I forgot I even ordered that. Yeah, donuts is why I missed. My wife misses bread, and I want donuts and pizza. So the pizza's this, but then this feels like a substantial amount in here. It says 1 donut's a serving size, and there's 4 in here, so that's good. A lot of this ice stuff, and the packaging cost must be pretty expensive. Chocolate frosted donuts, so yeah. I view donuts like pizza. Even a bad donut is a good donut, so I can't imagine this is not going to be great. I also don't understand what it is. But it only has 10 carbs, so let's see. Another frozen peanut butter cups. Came with the reusable gel pack. All this stuff's wet. I don't know if something leaked or it's just sweating. Another black ice pack. That's all she is. Alright, so this is $150 maybe. I gotta look up on the video. I'll put a little screenshot of my bill. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. Nothing's free. I paid for all this stuff myself. And I'm gonna eat it all myself. Alright. This, apparently there is, on the back of this guy, there's directions, sorta. She also brought up a good point. See, I only ordered 2 of these. I thought they were 2 full-size pizzas, not these little tiny things. But, so this one, half of this thing is 500 calories, so it's 1,000 calories for this little guy. Nothing else is that. I mean, I'm a big dude, but, you know, that's kind of absurd. I'm trying to find something to give a reference point here, but I can't. There you go. There's a little Kinder Joy egg, so you can see how big the egg is compared to the pizza. Not that big a pizza. This would be like, if you had one of those little frozen microwave pizzas, this would be about the size you're getting. This is supposed to be for 2. Alright, so I'm going to open the old mint chocolate chip keto pancakes. One thing is these things do have like a lot of carbs. And then they're lower net carbs. But I don't know how all that stuff works. Like the peanut butter cups have 21 carbs, but only like a handful of net carbs. It doesn't look super appetizing. Hopefully it comes out better than that. Here's the leg, guys. Sous vide egg bites. It's the old chicken apple sausage. Alright, I'm gonna cook it. My wife made a breakfast smiley face. I almost forgot about my donuts. I was pretty excited about this. Hey, another cool thing, you can scan this guy on MyFitnessPal and it comes up. Yeah, all that's in there. The donuts don't really have any directions. So I assume you're just gonna throw them and eat them. Also 13 carbs, but then the net carbs are 4. That's appetizing looking. Definitely looks like a bag of shit. Hopefully it's not. That'd be a cruel prank if they just sent you bags of shit. It's been in the fridge, so it's, I don't know, it's a weird texture. Let's see, this one doesn't have a barcode, so we can't scan it. I'll try searching for the name though and see if it comes up. But so far, I don't think so. I think it's just the other package. It's like they vacuum sealed it. See, the shit is rubbing off on my fingers. Got the old chip going out. I'm gonna try a bite. It's cold. Pretty damn good though. Fantastic. Soft. I don't know what the hell it is, but it's fantastic. I'll eat this thing all day. I don't care if it looks like shit. It makes my fingers all shitty. I left this one in the freezer, so it's pretty solid, but it looks more like a regular donut on the bottom as opposed to like a ball of icing. I'm gonna let this one thaw out and try it too. Alright, one egg pancake and the sausage. But these two, the sausage and the pancake in the oven for 5 minutes at 250. Sausage was still cold in the middle, cool in the middle. Pancake was warm. This way it's microwaved. So we put this in the microwave after the fact. Try to warm it up some. First I'm gonna try the pancake. It almost looks like meat. Well, it's definitely not as good as that donut. It's very dry, weird taste to it. Oh, I forgot it's mint. Mint chocolate chip. Egg guy's fantastic. Let me try skin. I forgot that was mint.
Ew.
What?
Pancake's nasty. Ugh.
My wife is not a fan. She's not eating hers.
Gross.
Yeah. Try this guy. Big sauce is good. It's that weird texture. Taste is fine. Eggs and donuts are definitely the winner here. Got pretty tough, but edible. Pancakes, I might eat them, but I definitely won't order these again. Eggs are way better than I thought they'd be. Tastes like toothpaste. It's like a toothpaste pancake. In case you want a toothpaste pancake. There you go. This little guy scared me on the sausage, but I'll try it again.
Ate all of it.
My wife's not a fan of any of it. Alright. So for me, the egg's good. Sausage is edible. Pancakes pretty disgusting. Alright, I took a couple more bites. I definitely cannot eat these pancakes. So I'm not eating that. Eggs I like. I'm gonna try to choke down that sausage. It's so hard. It's weird. Yeah, sausage is fine. I'll do a couple more bites of pancakes though. And I can't do that. Eggs I like a lot. But again, I don't know if I'm paying for these eggs. I can make eggs here. It's one of the main things I eat. Trying to keto is shitload of omelets. But if you want pancakes that taste like toothpaste and cardboard, there you go. Alright, here's the Pepperoni Lovers Keto Pizza. All this stuff is kind of packaged in the same manner. These plastic trays. These little sealed bags. So, doesn't look bad. Smells pretty good, but again, it's $14 since the size of I got a big hand. 6'1", 240, so that's There's also no directions on here. It's only 5 total carbs. It's pretty good. And there's also no directions on here. Nothing here. Nothing here. But yeah, look at that. So it says 620 calories. 2 servings in this container. So that means this half a pizza is 1 serving, which is pretty bonkers. So let me go to the website and see if it has anything about, because again, I don't see anything about pizza on here. I guess I'll just microwave it. I mean, it's gonna be better in the oven, but I don't know how long to cook it for. So I'm waiting for my pizza to cook, and I just noticed this thing says each meal 1 serving. This pizza, 2 servings. So this doesn't count as a meal, apparently. I guess they're referring to that package combo of the toothpaste pancakes, eggs, and chicken sausage. These are all the packaging stuff. I don't know what to cook it for, so I just put it in for 300 for 5 minutes, because that's when you cook the sausage on. Now timer's up, so I'm gonna check it out. So after 5 minutes at 300 degrees, no cheese is melted or anything. This part's kind of warm, but the middle's not, so put it back in for another 5 minutes. It wasn't frozen, it was just in the fridge, so again, I don't have any idea what else was cooked this on. Alright, 5 more minutes, maybe 7 or 8, because I was not really paying attention. Pepperoni looks more cooked. The cheese is clearly melty. So, I think I'm going to eat it like this. Alright, so you can see it fits a plate. So this was actually like one serving. It wouldn't be so bad. Just as a 2 serving. So there's the shit's hot. Here you can see what the bread kind of looks like. Again, I probably could have cooked it longer, but I'm hungry and bored of waiting on this thing. Too hot to eat. Let me cool it off for a second. Probably still too hot to eat, but it smells good. It smells buttery. So cheese is real cheese. It's pretty great. It's really good. Like I said, it has like a butter taste to it. I don't know what the hell it's made out of. Mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, crushed tomato, garlic, basil, oregano, keto, pizza. That's what I want to know. So the crust is made out of mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, almond flour, egg, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. So it doesn't say shit about butter. Maybe it is garlic. That's what I'm thinking of. I don't know. It's just good though. I need this. So for keeping score at home, this pizza's great. Donut was pretty good. Pancakes were disgusting. I guess this is cheese. I don't know. It's good. Tastes like pizza. Try again. It's just $14. I don't know. I'm lazy, so maybe I can get a donut, make my own omelet, eat pizza for a snack, make my own dinner. It's not too expensive. Alright, so this one's a winner. Big thumbs up. Alright, so here's the Keto Fridge Keto Dinner Roll. There is 14 carbs. It seems like a lot. It says 4 net carbs. 10 grams of fiber, which is good. So it's soft. It's been in the fridge, so it's cold. We're gonna put it in the oven, warm it up for a little bit, and then give it a shot. Fresh out of the oven. Still soft. I'm gonna tear it open. It's not my hand. Looks like bread inside. Feels like bread. Feels like a little stiffer than a bread roll. Tastes like bread. Tastes kind of like unleavened bread. Still a little cold here though. That's a little weird. Oddly chewy. Still pretty good though. Yeah. I'd eat this. So far, donut, pizza, and the cheddar biscuits were the way to go. These are okay. don't even think about the pancakes. And peanut butter cup's okay at best.